A very intelligent cat escapes prison. Sea lions play a competitive game of volleyball. Coco the gorilla responds to a sad movie.
Oh, honey, it is kind of a sad scene. Oh, honey, it's sad. I know it's a sad scene. Oh, they're crying. They are crying on the movie. Oh, sweetie, with the mother. Yes, the sweet mother, the one who adopted him.
A clever mouse buys itself a treat. This highly intelligent dog can comprehend a large number of commands.
Down. Sing. Sing. Good girl. Sit. Nah. Right hand. How about left hand? Good girl. Sit down. Heel. Good girl. Put your paw on it. Good girl. Down. Good girl. Sit. Good, wait till I say 3, okay? 1, 2, 4. 3. Good girl. Dog action.
This cat has no problem with doors. A mouse politely asks to be let in. There is no fooling this cat.
Oh, good boy. Alright, let's try 3, 4, okay? Oh, you're so smart.
A crow operates a hand-built vending machine.
We're going to see how long it takes Rio to put these 5 blocks in the container. Go. 1. Good girl. Go. Oh, we're not sure. Good girl. 4. One more. One more. Good girl, Rio. Good girl. Such a smart girl.
An octopus opens a jar to get its food.
Might take a few minutes, but it'll be time. Good boy, Christopher.
A magpie trades bottle caps for food. Apparently raccoons can open doors.
Brat. You little brat.
Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time, you gon' be foolish. All that BS for the birds that come to me, I'm chucking deuces. I stay loyal to the soil, never out here breaking truces. On this road, it's bumps and bruises. Either you move.
A golden retriever makes its owner feel at home.
Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Nice. Come on. Good boy. Thank you. Good boy. Thank you. Nice. Good to be home.
Oh, nice. Nice job, girl.
A responsible crow takes care of waste. An experiment is conducted to see how well crows can think ahead.
Pull up the string to get the short tool, take the short tool to get the long tool, and then take the long tool to get the food.
A cat demonstrates incredible problem-solving skills to get treats.
You solved it. You're a good cat.
Ryder, what's 2 plus 2? 10 divided by 5. Ryder, what's the square root of 9?
A golden retriever tricks its owner into believing the treat was untouched.
wave. Wave, baby. Good birdie. Turn for mommy.
A bear helps itself to a snack.
Come on, put on the TV. Put it on. Good boy. Good job, Mr. Man. Oh, Montel Williams. Your favorite show, isn't it? You don't like this show, do you?
Here is footage recorded of some very intelligent mice.
What? I don't have nothing.
Hi.
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 A monkey buys itself a drink from a vending machine.